DJ. It's so funny.
Their experience shaped its goals. They developed strong beliefs in the plight of African Americans. Dr. King said, trying to smile when you want to cry. It means trying to hold on to physical, psychological death. It means the pain of watching your child in a mental sky. It means and then being condemned for being a cripple. It means seeing your mother and father spiritually murdered by the slinging arrows and of daily exploitation. You will never be recognized as citizens. First recognized as human. Humanity. How do you all get to be because I think Malcolm X had an idea of the place to start. Without anywhere in this world. All right, class. This is February. And February is Black History Month. So now we will take this time to African Americans. Every year, same thing. We march for real history. Then ceremony begins to suffer for Black history. What do you mean, real history? Don't get me wrong. It's history. It's just not important as record history. Is there a problem, Peter? People think this is not real history. And what do you mean by that, Peter? Just that we do the same thing every year. Learn about Harriet Tubman, Rosa Parks, and Martin Luther King. What's the social census, and it must be February. Stop Union Avenue.
I like
Then
Dora.
stop Marbury. All you folks, be sure to clear your seat for the new passengers. Oh, for goodness sake, girl. Don't make me clear my throat again. Oh, you'll be on your way. Come on, get your seat. I'm sorry, I prefer. You have to move. No. But the rules say I need to say that I am, and you are. You are white, and I am black. And we found What's the problem?
How he all the way up there? How to bust it? A bus not even that wide.
Hold on.
You see what a disagreeable thing is? We will not ride your buses until you allow the Negroes to we have suspended in a small way. This action taken by a single woman in Montgomery, Alabama in 1965 started a boycott of all buses until the bus companies gave it. This is one. When we let freedom ring, when we let it ring from every village and every mountain, from every state and every city, we will be able to speed up that day when all of God's children, black men and white and Gentiles, Protestant Catholics, will be able to join hands and sing in the words of old Negro
get on the road. It's the road, Jack.
You walk in the store, a man standing at the door. He gives you a smile. You're shopping in style. A man at the door. He gives her a stare. She doesn't seem to care. He follows us to the shelf rack. As you can see, she's shopping while black. Why follow black instead of white? He said he's just using his eyesight. While she had a style, she fit a profile. You walk in the store. You drive in your car. So the police come along. You've done nothing wrong. They pull you out, then start to shout. They cry, they laugh. You was just shouting about black. So now you see. Just take it.